Subject for today. We can be the but him and hunting on. We can be the but him and hunting on. We can be the but him and hunting on. We can be the anything. We can be the but him and hunting on. We can be the but him and hunting on. We can be the but him and hunting on. We can be the anything. Subject for today.
In the early 1990s, EMD and GE stood near the horsepower race, with EMD's offering being the sd80mac. Conrail bought 28 units, and we're going to buy 120 more units, but thanks to the split between CSX and Norfolk Southern that happened 25 years ago, the order was cancelled. The Chicago Northwestern and Canadian Pacific were going to order. They were going to get sd80macs, but after C&W Merchant and Union Pacific, the order was cancelled. And for CP, they decided instead to buy sd90macs. The S-80s that intermodals used to manifest, they did it all, though they didn't last long on Conrail. As in 1999, Conrail was split between CSX and Norfolk Southern, and putting in place the Great Bend Railroad. Most of the SD80s went to Norfolk Southern. Later on, in the early 2010s, CSX had sold all of their SD80s to Norfolk Southern for SD40-2s to be rebuilt into SD40-3s. Two CSX SD80macs suffered a couple of incidents. One was used for spare parts, and two of them were shown to chambers. After CSX sold their units to Norfolk Southern, they served on the Thoroughbred Railroad until 2020 when they were all retired. Thanks to Norfolk Southern's power purge. Sadly, all of the SD80macs were sold off. One is still around, but beyond saving. Norfolk Southern sold 21 of their units to EMD, now known as Progress Rail, and sadly, none of those units survived. One is still on CP custody, as I said, as CP got 9 SD80macs. The other 8 of them are now memories. Now, the SDs are just memories from Conrail. Memories from a better time in railroading when shareholders were not priority and maintenance was actually needed. Rest in peace, SD80macs. Will be dearly missed.